Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and manage product reviews in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do is go here into our search bar and type in product reviews right here, and you want to click here on search for product reviews in Shopify App Store and click on it. And once you click on it right here, you would see a bunch of apps right here for product reviews, and you can use any of these apps right here. They work terrific. But not all of them is for free. Some of them are paid, so you need to invest your money in it. But for this one right here, it says product reviews. This is the name, and this is created by Shopify, and this is for free. So you could also use this if you don't want to pay for something like this. So click on product reviews right here, and we're gonna install and add this to our store. So you wanna click on add app right here, but as you can see, I have the open app button right here because I have already installed this into my store. So after that, you want to open the app. After installing, it will be open automatically, and from there you will be prompted right here. So as you can see, I haven't received any reviews yet. So the first thing that I will do once I'm here is go here to settings, and you want to modify the settings right here for your product reviews. So you want to, it depends on you if you want to auto-publish the review. If you want to enable this, the new reviews are checked for spam, and then they will be automatically published once the customer is finished reviewing your product. But if it's disabled, then you must manually publish new reviews, so it's up to you if you would publish that review. And email settings right here, and the star icon color, it depends on you, review listing layout, and so much more settings right here. And it's up to you for if you want to modify that and change that right here. And once you're done, you're gonna click save at the bottom right here. And once you're done right here, then you are now ready to add the product reviews into your store. So go to your online store at the left side, click on it, and from here go to customize right here, click on customize. And from here, let's just wait for it to load. You want to go into your catalog right here, or to the list of your products, because you want to go to your products right here so that you can add the product reviews. So I have a sample product right here that we can use for this example. So for example, in sample product number 1, we can go here. So let's click on this one right here, sample product number 1. And from here, it will be opened. And from here, we can add a section right here. And this is where we'll be adding the product reviews. So click on add section. And from here, you will be able to see the apps right here. So click on apps, and you would see the reviews and the star rating right here. So it's up to you if you're going to use reviews or star rating, or you could use both. So in my case, I'll just go for reviews right here. And from here, as you can see, now we have the reviews, and I can also add the star rating if I want to. Right there, let's wait for it to load right here. And as you can see, we have now the star rating right here. And just like that, our customer can write a review by clicking this write a review button. And as you can see, they can write a review using their name, their email, the rating, and review title, and of course the body right here. And yeah, that is basically how you set up your product reviews right here in your store. And you want to go into your apps right here. If you want to go to manage your product reviews, you want to go to the products reviews app here in Shopify. And that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.